This video shows you how to set the DMX address and connect the signal cables. After placing your lights according to this layout, you can start setting the DMX addresses. Here's the diagram. Just follow the numbers shown to set each light's address. The signal cable starts from the controller and connects to the first lights in the daisy chain setup. Plug a 3-pin signal cable into port B of the controller, like this. Once it's firmly connected, plug the other end into DMX input of the first light. Make sure the 3 pins line up correctly. When the light turns on and responds, it means it's receiving signal. Then, use another signal cable to connect the output port of the first light to the input port of the second line. Again, match the 3 pins properly. After plugging in, the second line will also turn on, meaning it's receiving signal too. Next, connect the output port of the second line to the input port of the third one. In the video, the next light is RLB150, and on the back, you find a port labeled DMX in. Plug the cable in there. Once connected, this light can also be controlled. Repeat this process. Connect the output port of one light to the input of the next. This way, the whole lighting group can be controlled together.